in this video, you're going to be learning about two powerful tools that help creators to have engagement and also improve their watch hours. Like, it helps your audience when they come to your channel and they watch your videos. It helps them to stay longer on your channel, and the more they stay on your channel, the more they engage with it. And that is something that YouTube loves so much. Like, when someone comes on YouTube and they spend long time and they actually watch videos for a long time, that is what YouTube actually wants. And once you have audience coming to your channel and spending time on your channel watching your videos, they will definitely start recommending your videos to larger audience. Okay, so these two powerful tools helps you to get more engagement, more watch time, and also more subscribers. Because when people see that yes, your videos are making sense, what you're doing, people love it, there is no way they will not engage with your videos. There's no way they will not comment, they will not like your videos, and they will also spend more time on YouTube. And that is what YouTube actually rewards you for, because that's what they want. They want people to come and benefit from your videos. Okay, so I'm going to show you these two powerful tools, but before I do that, I will head over to ChatGTP and tell you the benefits. I'm going to be putting the screen here so that you actually see these benefits with me. So okay, let me start my screen recording now. Okay, so we are heading over to ChatGTP, and I actually the two tools I'm talking about is cards and end screen. And in this video, I'm going to also show you how to add cards and end screen to your YouTube videos. Okay, so if you don't know what cards and end screen look like, this is what card looks like. Okay, on your video, this is what cards look like, and this is what end screen looks like. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add these two tools on your video. Each time you upload a new video, you're going to be adding them, and you're going to be enjoying all these benefits I'm going to be showing you now. So let's go over to ChatGTP so that I show you the benefits you're going to be getting. They said cards and end screen on YouTube are powerful tools for creators to engage viewers and grow their channel. Here are the key benefits of each. Okay, so benefits of cards. The first benefit there is increased engagement. Cards can suggest other videos, playlists, or channels, keeping viewers on your content longer. Can you see? This is the number one benefit. The second one is drive traffic. They can link your website, merchandise, or crowdfunding platforms if it's eligible. Okay, boost watch time. By directing viewers to related content, card helps increase session time, a key metric for the algorithm. And the fourth one is contextual relevance. Okay, cards can appear at key moments in the videos when they are most relevant to being discussed. Okay, so benefits of end screen. The first benefit here is that end screen retain viewers. It helps retain your viewers. End screen appears at the last 5 to 20 seconds, encouraging viewers to watch more content right before they might leave. Can you see that? Okay, so the second one is promote subscriptions. You can add a subscribe button, helping you grow your channel's followers base. And the third one, highlight playlists or videos. Promote high performing or related content to maximize exposure. And the fourth one is it encourage actions, whether it's watching another video, subscribing, or visiting a site. End screen makes it easier to guide viewers behavior. Okay, so if your viewers are going to leave your channel immediately after watching your video, it all depends on end screen and cards. Okay, so let me show you on your YouTube studio how you're going to be adding your cards and your end screen to your YouTube video. Left hand side, you tap on videos. Okay, so these are the steps you need to take to add your end screen and cards. Okay, so once you come over here to where your videos are, so we are going to tap on one video that we are going to use to learn this. Okay, so tap on this pencil sign there to edit the video. Okay, so let's allow it to load. Okay, so here we are. So if you scroll over to your right hand side, you're going to see the video that I want to add the end screen and cards on. It says how to change name on Facebook. That's the video. And if you scroll down, you're going to see public, restrictions, subtitles, and after that you're going to see your end screen. Okay, so let's add the end screen first. So let me tap there. All right, so as you can see, I've already added end screen to this particular video before, but I'm going to discard it. I'm going to remove it so that we will be able to, I'm going to delete the elements, delete all of them, so that I'll be able to add it new, so that you'll be able to see how to add it. Okay, so I've removed it. I removed the end screen that was already on the video. So if you look at this place I'm highlighting now, you're going to see different elements that you'll be able to add. Okay, So let me go back, please. So you're going to choose a template for your end screen here. You're going to choose a template. Do you want two videos? Do you want one video and one subscribe button? Do you want one video, one playlist, and one subscribe button? So anyone you want, you can just tap on it. So me, I want, let me choose two videos now. Okay, so I want to add two videos. So what you're going to do is to highlight it. Okay, so they say video best for viewer. That place that is blue now, they have highlighted it. They say video best for viewer. If you leave it like that, then YouTube is going to choose any particular video for you. But I would advise you not to leave it like that. So you would choose on these options that comes out here. The second option here says choose specific video, so you will tap on that. So when you tap on choose specific video, options is going to come out for your video, the videos you've already uploaded on your channel. So you tap on any particular video you have in mind and you upload it. Okay, so we are going to go for the second one too. We click on choose specific video. Okay, all right, so we are going to highlight, let me choose another video. Okay, so as you can see, this end screen now has already come up. So this is what your end screen look like. If you want to add the subscribe button too, you can actually choose that when you're choosing your template. You know, I actually choose two videos, that's why it's looking like this. Okay, so I have to save this now. So once you click on save, then this settings, this anytime your video is about to end, then the end screen will pop out and it's going to look like that. So let's see how to add cards. So you tap on cards. Okay, so as you can see, I've already added cards to this video. So that's why the cards is already showing here. So I'm going to delete it again. I'm going to delete the cards that I've already put in this video. I added 3 cards. So we are going to start afresh now. So your cards, you can either select the type of card to begin. You can add video, you can add your playlist, you can also add your channel. So let's start from videos. We are going to add different type of cards to this. So you scroll down and shift your card, like you're going to shift this thing now that is moving here to the position like where you want it to where your card to show in your video. Okay, all right, so let me shift it down here and click on video. So when I click on videos, my videos on my channels that I've already discussed about before will come up. So I will have to scroll and choose one, any place I want the cards to be. I will scroll and select one. Okay, so if I still want to add more cards, you click on this plus sign here. If you want to add 2 or 3 or more, you click on this plus sign here. Okay, is it playlist you want, is it your channel subscribe button? So I want to add this video, you still want to add again, you're just going to scroll down. When the video pops up, you're just going to scroll down and select any other video you want to add in your cards again. Okay, let me go down. Okay, let me use this one. All right, so you can actually shift this to somewhere else. Okay, all right, so make sure that after you've added your cards, like I've added 2 video cards here, you can see them. If you want to remove any of the card after you've added, if you want to remove it, you can click on this delete button here and you can delete your cards. Then you will click save, and it's important that you click save, because if you don't click save, then all the settings will just go away, it will not save. Okay, so this is how to add cards to your YouTube videos. And please, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos and tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.